All right, guys. So today we're at one of the coolest areas here in Lisbon. This is a 19th century factory turned art center, shopping, street art, and a lot of other fun things to see. So guys, this is LX Factory here in Lisbon, Portugal. It's out in the suburbs. So don't forget, if you want to see more things like this, like, share, subscribe, and let's go explore.
Level 1.
Got a restaurant right here, and then all your street art. This one's actually with everybody's stickers. You've got a ton of concept stores, over 33 of them. And then cafes, patios. What's up, Mike? Your head looks very shiny. This is a former factory from 1846, 19th century, that was converted into an art space. Very, very cool area. They even have a hostel in here to stay in if you want to stay, drink, take a poop, happy hour, get drinks, get food. You can, yeah. The bar is closed, but it is 5 o'clock somewhere. But look at this art piece right here. This is cool. And like all these restaurants for drinks, gelato, food, copas. Look at the concept for this restaurant. All pink, see-through plastic or glass. And then over here, the orange. Happy hour, 150 beers. Sophia. This facility is supposed to have some of the best street art in all of Lisbon. And on Sunday, they actually have a street market. So if you guys want to come and shop and enjoy the street market, they have it on Sundays.
Why not?
That is facts. Ah, that's gorgeous. That's one of my favorite pieces so far. Definitely an artistic space. So they actually are supposedly have like workshops and stuff here, Mike. They have like art workshops and pottery workshops and stuff on throughout the week. Yeah. Then you got a zebra. I know. Wait, let's look. Yes, it's chocolate. Yes, it's Portuguese. And no, it's not meat. This is all chocolate and vegan. Dude, you want to get some like something chocolate, like a little snack?
Dude.
The Brazilian.
Yeah, only Brazil. Yeah,
Specific.
I've been to Brazil like a bunch of times. I love Brazil. Bailey's. Bailey's right here.
Cappuccino, like a coffee. Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Very cool.
Where are you from?
United States.
Oh. Okay.
Thank you so much. All right, so I'm gonna try this Portuguese dessert, Bailey's flavored. Oh my god,
Good.
that's so good.
Yeah.
Mike, what do you think? How do you like yours? Good. Mm-mm-mm. I thought it was meat too until I saw their sign. That is not meat. That is chocolate. Followed up with a Brazilian soda, which these are the best. Cheers. Oh my god. This is gorgeous.
They have the game right. I want my head.
It's not. It's not for sure. No. Dude, like everything's painted and graffitied, which is kind of cool. This is crazy. Cool old warehouse. This is definitely like a fun place to spend your afternoons, you know what I mean? Hope this mural finds you well. And just random art. Random art everywhere. Chiquinho? Peri peri chicken? What's that?
Curry
Oh,
stuff.
curry chickens
Oh, Pokeball.
and poke bowl. Get some curry chickens. And then burger smashed. Yeah. Tequila and mezcal bar. Ooh, you had me in mezcal. That's for sure. Hello world. Do they have axe throwing?
Oh, they have Ben and Jerry's.
UXX Club. Cerveza, wings, and burgers. What? Matcha Mama. Not Nacho Mama. Ramen. So you got a little bit of everything in here. Yes, I think they do have axe throwing, bro. Look at that. Have you ever done that before? It's fun. Get to look at this. They've got axe throwing. You've got the mini football, foosball. Got the Columbia game on. And then axe throwing against the wall. That's great. And Ben and Jerry's ice cream. They've got the outside patio.
Yeah, that's cute.
This is neat. Cantina LA or Cantina LX. This place is very Instagrammable. That is for sure.
And we'll just.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Amazing. All right, so we're finishing up our time here at LX Station, and we went to Cochina LX, Cochina Mexicana. I got chilaquiles and a nice glass of lemon water. All right, I don't know what the fuck this is. Oh, those are chili strains.
Yeah. Saffron.
All right, so this is interesting.
Okay.
Has cheese, chips, like chilaquiles. Right, well, it tastes gluten-free. which it is. All right. All right, guys. So what'd you think of this little tour of LX? If this is something you want to do, if this is something that you enjoy watching and you want to see more of it, do that free thing, like, share, subscribe, enjoy. Because we are here at LX Factory here in Lisbon, Portugal. We're going to do more of these. So, all right, guys, have a great day.